Welcome all. Today we have to see the fourth part of the format of the activity sheet, class 12th, theory exam, section novel. There are 16 marks for this section. One by one we have to see what kind of activities or questions given here. I am Professor Tushar Chavan from Rashtriya Junior College, Chalisgaon, District Jalgaon. You can also visit my blog juniorcollegeteacher.blogspot.in. In this blog, you will get various resources for your self-study. You can also visit my YouTube channel Learn with Tushar Chavan. Here you will get various videos on standard 12th text topics as well as writing skill section and format of activity sheet. You can also use my activity workbook for your self-practice. Now see section 4th, literary genre novel. It has 16 marks. Question number 5th is based on novel. Now there are 4 sub-questions. In question 5th A, there will be 2 activities for 4 marks. In question 5th B, question 5th C, and question 5th D, in each sub questions, you will find 2 questions, and these questions have 4 marks. Now see question number 5th A, what is given here. See the statement, complete the activities given below as per the instructions. It has 4 marks. In question 5th A, you will get activities to solve. Now there are 2 activities. Both activities are based on 4.1 History of English Novel. Each activity has 2 marks. This question is based on activities and all the activities are taken from the text topic History of English Novel. Now see the variety of activities that can be set for this question. MCQ, multiple choice question, match the columns, chronological order, fill in the blanks, true or false, elements of novel, any other novel activity. All these activities are used here, but activity should not be repeated in the sub questions. Means if in the first activity multiple choice question is given, it can't be repeated in second activity. So there should be variation in the choice of activities, and you have to write the answer of the activities which are based on the textbook content 4.1 History of English Novel. Now here I have given few model activities that can be said on the topic 4.1 History of English Novel. See the first activity, match the novel and novelist. For 2 marks, in the first column, name of the novelist are given. In the second column, their novels are given. Jonathan Swift, Samuel Richardson, Mary Shelley, Frances Burney, these are the novelists. And Pamela, Gulliver's Travels, Evelina, Frankenstein, these are the novels. Now here you have to match the novelist with their respective novel. Now see the model answer also. In this way, you have to draw the table, write the novelist, and before the name of the novelist, write their correct novel. See the second activity. Pick out the odd element from the group. 2 marks. Here, 4 groups are given. In each group, one element is odd. You have to find out the odd element and write it in your answer. Arun Joshi, Vikram Seth, Graham Greene, Kiran Nagarkar. Second, place, period, theme, climate, lifestyle. Third, theme, plot, character, novella. Fourth, Bluebird, the turn of the screw. Pearl, Joseph Conrad, Death in Venice. Now see the odd elements in each group. For the first group, Graham Greene is odd element because other 3 writers, they belong to India. Second is theme. Theme is the element of novel, and so it is odd element. In the third, novella, it is a type of prose, while other 3, theme, plot, character, they are the elements of novel. In fourth, Joseph Conrad is the odd element because all other are the names of the novel, and Joseph Conrad is the name of the novelist. In this way, you have to find out the odd elements. या पद्धतीने दिलेल्या ग्रुपमधील जो गटात न बसणारा एलिमेंट असेल त्याला बाहेर काढून उत्तरामध्ये लिहायचं आहे. या पद्धतीच्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज या हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश नॉवेल विचारल्या जातील. Now see the next activity. Fill in the blanks with the right words and rewrite the sentences. For 2 marks. या ठिकाणी काही रिकाम्या जागा दिलेल्या जातील. त्यामध्ये योग्य पर्याय निवडून वाक्य पुन्हा लिहिणं आवश्यक आहे. It is a MCQ type activity. First, there are empty place, elements essential of novel or novella. Now alternatives are 5, 6, 7. Second, theme is the empty place in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. Central idea, setting, plot, these are the alternatives. In the first half of the 20th century, a cult of blank space magazines became popular. Alternatives: amazing, pulp, powerful. Last, fourth sentence: space travel, time travel, and extraterrestrial life may be seen in blank space, fiction, historical, Gothic, science. Now see the answers. There are 6 elements essential of novel or novella. Theme is the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. In the first half of the 20th century, a cult of pulp magazines became popular. Space travel, time travel, and extraterrestrial life may be seen in science fiction. Means the correct alternatives are 6, central idea, pulp, and science. You have to write the complete sentence, filling the blank spaces. So this is the activity which is based on history of English novel. Now see the next activity. Write a short note on autobiographical novel. It also has 2 marks. See the answer. The autobiographical novel is the novel based on the life of the author. However, the author changes the places and names of characters or even may change or avoid certain details of his life. It may or may not be in the first person narration. For example, David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. या ठिकाणी आत्मचरित्रात्मक नॉव्हेल यावर एक शॉर्ट नोट लिहायची आहे. या पद्धतीने उत्तर लिहिणं इथं अपेक्षित आहे. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन 5B. Answer in about 50 words to the questions given below for 4 marks. Now here you will get questions. Now see what kind of questions will be there. Questions to be framed on the elements such as plot, structure, theme, setting, language, character. कादंबरीचे जे एलिमेंट्स आहेत, प्रमुख घटक आहेत, त्यांच्यावर आधारितच प्रश्न या ठिकाणी विचारले जातील. त्यामध्ये प्लॉट, स्ट्रक्चर, थीम, सेटिंग, लँग्वेज, कॅरेक्टर. नाउ सी ऍक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 1. Describe, explain, compare, contrast, name, discuss. Now these are the few model words that can be used to frame the question. There may be other words that can be used to frame the question, but these are the model words. If you see these words, you will find that there is no WH word. तर हे जे काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत हे एक नमुना म्हणून शब्द दिलेले आहेत. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी प्रश्न जरी असला तरी वाक्याच्या शेवटी प्रश्नचिन्ह येणार नाही, ते एक स्टेटमेंटच राहील. नाउ सी द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ ऍक्टिव्हिटी. Now see the second type of question, which may begin with the words illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find, identify. दुसऱ्या प्रकारच्या प्रश्नांमध्ये या पद्धतीने शब्द रचना असेल, वाक्याच्या शेवटी फुलस्टॉप राहील, पण हे ऍक्टिव्हिटी नसून हे प्रश्न राहतील. साधारणतः 50 शब्दांमध्ये उत्तर लिहिणं इथं अपेक्षित आहे. You have to write the answer in 50 words. Now question 5B is based on the textbook content 4.2 to serve with love. प्रश्न 5वा B हा 4.2 to serve with love या कादंबरीच्या उतार्यावर आधारित असेल. In your textbook, the extract of the novel is given. You have to read the extract completely, thoroughly, and you have to write the answer of the questions. फक्त त्या उतार्यावर आधारितच प्रश्न राहतील, पूर्ण नॉवेलवर प्रश्न राहणार नाही. जो काही कादंबरीचा उतारा दिलेला आहे टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये त्यावर आधारित, त्यातील माहितीवर आधारित प्रश्न विचारले जातील. Now see few examples of the questions which are based on 4.2 to serve with love. See the questions. Describe the character sketch of Denham, 2 marks. Explain the theme of the extract. या ठिकाणी कॅरेक्टरवर प्रश्न विचारला जाईल. डेनहम जे कॅरेक्टर आहे त्याचं वर्णन करा, किंवा या उतार्यामध्ये जी माहिती दिलेली आहे त्यावरून त्या नॉव्हेलची थीम तुमच्या जी लक्षात आलेली असेल ती लिहा. रीड द फॉलोइंग डायलॉग. फाइंड आउट हू द स्पीकर इज, हिज हर टोन, द स्टाईल, सिग्निफिकन्स एटसेट्रा ऑफ द डायलॉग्स. Let's say it is as much an exercise of the mind as it is of the body. Dana. Here you have to tell the tone, style, significance of the language. which is used by that particular character. त्या पात्राने, कादंबरीतल्या त्या पात्राने जी भाषा वापरलेली आहे संवादासाठी, त्यावरून त्याचे वैशिष्ट्य तुम्हाला शोधून लिहायची आहेत. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ नॉवेल मध्ये लँग्वेज आहे, त्यावर आधारित हा प्रश्न होता. Describe the place where the events happen. 2 marks. Here, this question is based on setting of the novel. या पद्धतीने प्रश्नांची रचना तुम्हाला दिसेल. Question 5C. Answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. 4 marks. Same questions to be framed on the elements such as plot, structure, theme, setting, language, character. जसं प्रश्न 5व्याच्या बी भागामध्ये आहे त्याच पद्धतीने सेम 5व्या प्रश्नाच्या सी भागामध्ये विचारलं जाईल. ओनली द चेंज इज the novel extract is different. Here, the questions are based on the textbook content 4.3 around the world in 80 days. तर 4.3 या टॉपिक वर आधारित प्रश्न या ठिकाणी विचारलेले दिसतील. Same kind of words are given here and you have to write the answer in 50 words. See few examples. 4.3 around the world in 80 days. First, theme. Arrange the incidents in correct sequence as per their occurrence in the extract. Here you have to arrange chronologically the incidents. Theme वर आधारित या पद्धतीने प्रश्न येऊ शकतो. दिलेले जे वाक्य आहेत ते योग्य क्रमाने लिहा. Oda accepted Fogg's proposal of marriage. When set free, the first thing that Fogg did was he knocked Fix down. As a part of duty, Fix arrested Fogg. At the 57th second, Fogg entered the Reform Club saloon. These are the 4 statements showing different incidents. You have to arrange them as per their occurrence in the extract. दिलेल्या कादंबरीमध्ये, कादंबरीच्या उतार्यामध्ये ज्या पद्धतीने हे प्रसंग आलेले आहेत त्या क्रमाने ते लावायचे हे उत्तरामध्ये अपेक्षित आहे. Now see the model answer also. Correct sequence of the incidents. As a part of duty, Fix arrested Fogg. When set free, the first thing that Fogg did was he knocked Fix down. At the 57th second, Fogg entered the Reform Club saloon. Oda accepted Fogg's proposal of marriage. Now here we have to arrange the sentences as per their occurrence. So CBDA is the correct sequence. Next example, it is based on setting. Describe the importance of the following place in the development of the plot. Place, Reform Club. Each question has 2 marks. Next, write the central idea of the given extract of the novel Around the World in 80 Days. जो नॉवेलचा एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट दिलेला आहे त्यावरून त्याची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना मांडायची आहे. Illustrate the following quote in the light of the extract of the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Quitters never win and winners never quit. एका पात्राने बोललेले हे वाक्य आहे त्यावरून त्या पात्राचं जे भाषिक वैशिष्ट्य असेल त्यासोबतच त्याला नेमकं काय सांगायचं आहे ते इथं मांडणं अपेक्षित आहे. Now see question number 5D. Answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. Same kind of questions, same kind of words. Now by using these words, The questions will be set. Only the difference is the novel extract. For question number 5D, the novel extract will be 4.4, the sign of 4. तर या ठिकाणी प्रश्न 5वा डी हा 4.4 द साइन ऑफ 4 या कादंबरीच्या उतार्यावर आधारित असेल. सेम त्याच पद्धतीचे शब्द की ज्यांच्या सहाय्याने प्रश्न बनवायचे आणि प्रश्न प्लॉट, स्ट्रक्चर, थीम, सेटिंग, लँग्वेज, कॅरेक्टर यावर आधारितच विचारले जातील. नाउ सी फ्यू एक्झाम्पल्स. 4.4 the sign of 4. First question is based on theme. Write in brief the theme of the extract. Second, language. Interpret the following line in the light of the novel or novel extract, the sign of 4. You really are an automation, a calculating machine. Now here, these are the two activities which are based on the sign of 4. या कादंबरीच्या उतार्याची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना सांगा किंवा जे वाक्य दिलेलं आहे ते इंटरप्रेट करा, त्याचं वैशिष्ट्य सांगा. नेक्स्ट, डिस्कस द कॅरेक्टर ऑफ मेरी मॉर्स्टन फ्रॉम डॉक्टर वॅटसन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. This is the one of the major character and here you have to describe it, but from the point of view of Dr. Watson, who is another character here. या ठिकाणी मेरी मॉर्स्टनचं वर्णन करायचं आहे डॉक्टर वॅटसन यांच्या दृष्टीने. Then narrate in brief the importance of the following places in the extract. Here you have to narrate the importance of two places, लंडन and आग्रा. लंडन आणि आग्रा या दोन ठिकाणचं महत्व या कादंबरीच्या उतार्याच्या दृष्टीने जे असेल ते वर्णन करायचं. नाउ हियर आय हॅव गिवन फ्यू ऍक्टिव्हिटीज अँड क्वेश्चन्स, बट इफ यू नीड मोर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज, मोर क्वेश्चन्स अँड देअर मॉडेल आन्सर्स, you should have to buy my activity workbook which I have written. You will get various activities, various questions on novel section also. So do buy this activity workbook. To get the activity workbook, see the description area of this video. I have given the information how you can get this activity workbook for your सेल्फ प्रॅक्टिस. या नॉवेल सेक्शनवर आधारित किंवा एकंदरीत पूर्ण इंग्रजीच्या अभ्यासक्रमावर आधारित जे ऍक्टिव्हिटीज असतील, जे प्रश्न असतील, त्यांचा सराव करण्यासाठी आदर्श उत्तरांसह एक चांगलं पुस्तक मी लिहिलेलं आहे, ऍक्टिव्हिटी वर्कबुक स्टँडर्ड 12. त्याचा फायदा तुम्ही करून घ्या. ते कसं मिळवायचं डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया मध्ये त्याची माहिती दिलेली आहे. देयर आर टू बुक्स, वन इज फॉर स्टँडर्ड 12, अनदर इज फॉर स्टँडर्ड 11. डू बाय these books, and if you do good practice of all the activities, you will get good marks in your exam. Get more videos on the text topics, so always visit my YouTube channel Learn with Tushar Chauhan. You will get various videos on various topics here. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the YouTube channel Learn with Tushar Chauhan.